In this video, I want to show you how to troubleshoot in case that not all your pages are interlinked or not all your pages are crawled. What's going on? You go to brokenlinkcheck.com. It's a free tool and you put your website right in here. You enter the security code, all that. It's free. And then you run the report. It's going to crawl your site and it's going to show you all the links that were broken. In my site is a few years old. I've accumulated some links that don't work anymore, or I've changed address and things like that. So I'll make it a little bigger so you can see my report, and you'll see that I have some of the errors repeating, and if I scroll down, some different pages have some problems. And I actually went and I was like, wow, so many little problems or links you see to other pages and sites that aren't even mine that I used to link to, but then they've changed or moved. And then I went in and I changed these errors. First, that's immediately going to help your SEO because your website's going to have less errors. But second, it might give you a clue if you think, why is some page not being crawled? Maybe the link is broken to it. And this is the simplest way. Within a minute or two, you'll be able to know if you have any broken links or broken URLs within your site. Try it now. That's the first troubleshooting step in case that not all your pages on your site are being crawled.